So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix card being declined in PayPal. So to fix a declined card on your PayPal, you can check that your billing address and card details match the bank record. So that's very important because uh, the card being declined sometimes has to do with your account, since most of the finances need to match all the information that you provided with creating your account. So from that point, you can also update the expiration date of the card if it's not up to date, and the CVV code that you received that's going to be on the back of the card as well. So match your billing address character for character with your bank statement, even if on the bank statement it isn't precise enough, or you found some sort of spelling error, something like that. But the very problem may be that it isn't matching, but it's very important that the bank statement address as well as your own address that you provided within the app are exactly the same. So that's also some sort of way to fix it. You can also check out your resolution center for any active account limits, which you can find it right there. Just make sure to log in to your resolution center. You can just type out within your browser PayPal resolution center and log in with your email or phone number to get to filling out specific forms and getting the answers to your questions and the fixes to your issues. So once that's all set up, you don't have to worry about your card being declined in PayPal anymore. If it's still being declined, you should contact their support. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.